Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James. I'm here with another awesome video. Now, in this video, we're going to look at different tools and strategies for creating ad copy, or what they call copywriting. Uh, this is for digital ad space. This is for our funnels. This is for our sales pages, and also not just the funnels, but also the capture page. You want to make sure that you have good ad copy. Bad ad copy, it could cost you a sale. So you want to put forth a lot of time and effort in creating good ad copy. Now, this is what should be included in your ad copy. One, make the headline meaningful. Now, the headline should be like an attention getter. It should get people's attention. All right. Now, what some people do is they ask a question in their headline, and the reason they ask a question is they want the audience to be engaged. This is one way of engaging your audience. Then in the headline, you want to fix a problem. You want to identify the problem and then fix that problem, and then advertise the solution to the problem. All right. Keywords. It is extremely important that you use keywords in your headline. Use keywords within your headline. And then be funny. You know, a joke goes a long way. Now, using keywords throughout the body of your ad copy. Now, this is extremely important. Keywords are used. This helps to optimize your page. This helps the search engines to find out that you exist. It is very good. It's something that you need to put forth some time and effort in keyword research. Now, keywords needs to be used throughout the body of the ad. Crafting the keywords and putting those keywords together is a science. It's a science. Now, do not force keywords into the body of your copy. You want the keywords to appear with a natural flow. You want them to appear with a natural flow. Now, stuffing a keyword is a technique that was used a while back. Today, keyword stuffing is really not a good tool to use. Now, when we talk about keyword stuffing, what we're talking about is this. This is where you have the keyword to appear numerous times in the body. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Now, that strategy did work a while back, but it doesn't really work that well today. Always add value. Now, this is something that you really need to focus on. You need to make sure that you are constantly adding value. And this is how we add value. Write ad copy that speaks to your target audience. Again, you need to identify your target audience. You need to know their age group, their gender, their education levels, what their interests and hobbies are. And then you market to that audience. And make sure that the offers that you are presenting to them are related. They need to be. You don't want to do any unrelated offers. Make sure that they are related. Clicks. Now, you need to draft your copy because you want to get clicks, but you want to make sure that these are good, qualified clicks. Okay. Now, the reason we do that is so that you will have some good, solid leads to nurture, and then you want to get ready for the sale. Get ready for the sale. Again, you need to know your target audience and write for your target audience. Call to action, CTAs. Now, this is another important concept when it comes to ad copy. You need to make sure that your call to actions are written so that people can clearly understand what the call to action is. Let's say, for instance, you want them to download some content, okay? Now, you would include the word download with a clickable button in the CTA. If you wanted them to visit a website, you would make sure you have the word visit included in your CTA, in that call to action, in that button. The best CTAs use strong action verbs like join, subscribe, and launch. So these are some examples of what will help you have a better converting ad copy. A/B testing. Now, it is important. This is something that everyone must master. You need to do A/B testing. When we say A/B testing, that means you're going to have a A version and a B version of ad copy, and you put both of them out there. Sometimes people do C. So you have 3 versions of the same ad copy, and you put them out there, and you want to see which ad copy gets the better response. So you're testing the market. And then once you have identified which ad copy gets the better response, then you go with that one. The other two, or the other ones that did not necessarily get the desired result, then you put that to the side. And then you focus on the one that is giving you the most results. Keep in mind, the purpose for the ad copy is you want this to not just be a lead generation, but also you want it to be a place where you can close the sale. This is what the CTA does, call to action. This helps with the closing of the sale. All right. Now, success leaves clues, and it does. You need to become a person that takes massive action, massive action, massive action every day. It's just nowhere around this. You must be a person that takes massive action. But not only that, you need to make sure that you have no 0 days. Do not let a day pass where you do not work on your goal. No cheat days. Now, keep in mind that when you're working on your goals every day, you don't have to give a whole lot of time every day. Some days you may have more time available than other days. However, how much time you have available for that day, if you only have 15 minutes, then you spend that 15 minutes on doing something that will help with the accomplishment of your goal. Success does leave clues. Now, let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you. May He grant you His favor. And may He continue to give you His peace. And may He also continue to enlarge our territory. Now, Father, this is my personal request. Father, I thank you that you will allow me to live a long life, at least 120 years of age, at least, and that I will be climbing up new mountains and not sliding down old ones, that I will be in good health, eyesight not abated. Father, I thank you for this personally. And I'm sure that there are people out there that will thank you as well, that you will not only grant me a long life, but that you will grant them a long life as well. Thank you, Father. Now, until we meet again, take care, and I'll see you later.